before I leave this area, I want to show you all something. So you can see the creek right there and all this grass laying down. That one video you see sped up of me kind of running around the pumpkin patch. This is where I knew I fucked up. In the canoe? Well, you might have seen that I turned around immediately when I got to this side. And that was because I looked over and saw the water was higher over the berm than where I was at. I was like, oh, I need to get out of here. So yeah, that's why I turned around, because of that.